Hello friends, I'm here with the class 10 topic quadratic equations, exercise 4.4. In this video, I will discuss about question number 3, 4 and 5 of exercise 4.4. So let's start with the question number 3. So question is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and its area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So first we have to see this condition is possible or not possible here. So question is the length of the mango groove is twice its breadth. So let us suppose that the breadth of the mango groove is x, therefore length will be the 2x. Now area of this rectangle is length into breadth, so length is 2x and breadth is x here, and it is given in question the area is 800 meters square. So 800 is equal to 2x into x, so it becomes 800 is equal to 2x square. So I'm shifting this 800 to the right hand side, it becomes 2x square. 0 is equal to 2x square minus of 800, and we can write this equation like this way: 2x square minus of 800 is equal to 0. So from here 2 is common, so after taking common it is like this way: x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Comparing it with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, you will see the leading coefficient is 1 here, but middle term is missing here, that is x. The middle term is missing, so value of b is 0 and value of c is minus 400. Now we'll find discriminant. So value of d is b square minus 4ac, 0 square minus 4 into a into c. It is coming 1600. So we have discussed the three conditions, that is the nature of roots. When discriminant is greater than 0, then we have two different real roots. So it means discriminant is greater than 0 is coming. Therefore the above condition, the given condition, is possible. Now by quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So value of b is here negative, minus of 0 plus minus square root of 1600 upon 2a. So square root of 1600 is coming 40 upon 2. So negative sign is ignored here because I am talking about the length and breadths. So I will not use the negative sign, I will discuss with the positive sign here. Therefore value of x is coming 40 divided by 2 is 20. So therefore breadth of the mango groove is 20 and length is twice, 2 into 20, that is the 40. The second question is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present age. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of the ages in years was 48. Now it is given that the sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. So let us suppose that the friend age of the first friend is x here and the age of the second friend will be the 20 minus x, because their total is 20. So if the age of first friend is the x, then age of the second friend will be the 20 minus x, that is the total minus of the age of the first one. So age of the second friend will be the 20 minus x. Now 4 years ago, the age of the first friend will be x minus 4 and age of the second friend will be the 20 minus x minus 4. So 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x. Now it is given that the product of their ages is 48. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x. When you multiply, x into 16 is 16x, x into x minus x square here, minus 4 into 16 is minus 64, minus plus 4x is equal to 48. I am shifting this whole term to the right hand side. So x square minus of 16x minus 4x plus 64 plus 48 is equal to 0. So it is coming 0 is equal to x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. So this equation I can write like this way also: x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Now comparing this with the standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After equating, you see the value of a is coming 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that is a minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a into c. So it is coming 400 minus of 448. So discriminant is coming negative. So nature of the roots is coming, when the discriminant is coming negative, we have no real roots. So therefore the given condition is not possible. So now come to the question number 5. It is given as it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square. Perimeter of the rectangular park is 80 meter and its area is 400. If so, find its length and breadth. So let us suppose that the length of the rectangular park is x and breadth is the y. Perimeter of the rectangle, we know that 2 times of length plus breadth is equal to 80. So 2 I am shifting to the right hand side, it becomes, it is dividing here. So x plus y is equal to 40. So from here we can either you convert x in terms of y, y in terms of x. So I have calculated x in terms of y here. So from here y is equal, I've shifted x to the right hand side, it becomes y is equal to 40 minus x. Now it is given that the area of the rectangular park is 400. So area is length into breadth. So x into y, x is length, y is breadth, x into y is equal to 400. Now substituting equation number 1 in 2. So in place of y, I will write here 40 minus x. So it becomes x into 40 minus x is equal to 400. So it is 40x minus of x square is equal to 400. So I'm shifting these two terms to the right hand side. It becomes x square minus of 40x plus 400. So I can write this equation like this way: x square minus of 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now comparing it with the standard quadratic equation, the value of a is coming 1, b is minus 40 and c is 400. Now the value of discriminant, b square minus 4ac, after solving it, it is coming 0. So when discriminant is coming 0, it means it has a two real and same roots. It has two same real roots. So it means the given condition is possible. Only one time when discriminant is coming negative, then the given condition will not be possible. And if discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, then the given situation will be the possible. Now by quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substituting all values, it is coming 40 plus minus square root of 0. So square root of 0 is 0. So it becomes 40 upon 2, that is 20. Therefore length of the rectangular park is 20 and breadth will be the, after using equation number 1, breadth is 40 minus x. So 40 minus 20, that is coming 20. So therefore length of the rectangular park is 20 and breadth is also 20. So therefore it is a, we can say it is a square. That's all.